This is Mark Erickson with Colorado Health Insurance Brokers, and today we're going to talk about some more of the upcoming plan changes for the 2020 open enrollment period in Colorado. Now, in 2019, the out-of-pocket limits for individual health insurance were $7,900 for an individual plan and $15,800 for a family plan. In 2020, the out-of-pocket limit is increasing to $8,200 for an individual plan and $16,400, or twice the individual amount of $8,200, but again, $16,400 for a family plan. Now, sometimes that is confusing to people if they have a family plan, but the $16,400 cap for a family is not the amount that you're on the hook for if one family member has a major claim. What the intent of that is, as an example, if you have a family with 3 or more family members, the intent of the family cap and the out-of-pocket maximum is to limit your financial risk to no more than 2 times the per person deductible. So again, if just one family member had a major claim, you're not going to be out of pocket the $16,400 family out of pocket limit. You would be out of pocket instead the $8,200 individual out of pocket limit. Now that we have that clarified, let's talk a little bit about the different metal levels. Now, bronze plans are always probably the most popular plans that we sell, namely because they have the lowest monthly premiums. And of course, with the bronze plans, if there are any co-pays, there are typically going to be limits on them, maybe 2 or 3 co-pays for doctor visits. And if you add any additional ones above and beyond that, it would be subject to the plan deductible. And these plans typically have really high deductibles. Now, that being said, federally mandated preventative care is going to be free with any of the plans, bronze, silver, gold, etc., as long as it's federally mandated preventative care and it's done in network and coded by the provider's preventative care. That's always going to be free to you regardless of the whether you choose a inexpensive bronze plan or a really expensive gold or the rarely available platinum plans. So anyways, the bronze plans are always popular for people, particularly those people whose income is too high to qualify for any federal tax credits and are generally healthy and are looking for just-in-case type insurance. Now, there are also silver and gold plans available, and those plans also have their place. But one thing I'd like to point out is that even when you're looking at the silver and gold plans, take care to keep an eye on the out-of-pocket maximum, because the out-of-pocket maximum on many, but not all plans, can often be the same as that on the lower cost bronze plans. Now, the silver plans are intermediate plans. They're very popular for really 2 types of scenarios. People whose income is in the level where they would qualify for a cost-sharing reduction, which is only available if you source your insurance through the Connect for Health Colorado Exchange, which, here's a shameless plug, my company, Colorado Health Insurance Brokers, is certified to be able to assist you with Connect for Health Colorado, and we can help you determine if you're eligible for those very important cost-sharing reductions, which reduce both the deductibles and the out-of-pocket maximums for people whose income falls within a set range. So that's very powerful. If you do fall into that particular income range, you absolutely will want to take a close look at the silver plans, as it tremendously reduces your financial risk. The silver plans are also popular for people who want more co-pays for doctor visits and potentially better co-pays for prescription drugs. Not all silver plans have great co-pays, so it's another reason why it's good to work with an insurance broker, because we know which plans are going to give you the best value and the best bang for your proverbial premium dollar in terms of getting the best coverage. So anyway, silver plans are very popular, particularly for families with potentially they might have younger children, or they may just have a lot of doctor visits, or sometimes people just want plans that are closer to what they had on may have had in their previous life when they worked for a company that offered employer-sponsored group coverage. Then we have the gold plans. The gold plans are going to be the most expensive plans. They're also going to have the lowest deductible. These plans are getting less and less popular, namely because the out-of-pocket maximums on the gold plans are often no better than those on the lowest cost bronze plans. And the cost sharing reductions that I mentioned are only available on the silver level plans, not available on the gold plans. But those can be an option for people who are willing to pay more for their health insurance to get the peace of mind or comfort level of having the lower deductible. And typically the gold plans are going to have some of the best copays for doctor visits and for prescriptions. Then finally, we have the platinum plans, and I'm not going to spend much time about those because not many carriers offer platinum plans in Colorado. So it's a rare offering. It does exist, but very few carriers offer it, and it's unbelievably expensive. So basically, nobody signs up for it, but it is a rare but expensive offering that we could let you know about. So anyways, that's a little bit about the new out-of-pocket maximum limits for 2020. 2020 open enrollment begins on November 1st. And if you are interested in a free health insurance quote, be it for yourself, for your family, or for your business, just go to betterwaycolorado.com. And we will be more than happy to assist you. No extra cost or markup for using one of our licensed agents. So again, if you're in Colorado, go to Better Health Colorado, and we'd be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.